Para kay Kulit, sa pinakamamahaling babae. Sana napakinggan ng tatawan.
Yo, yo, come on.
Ito ka ba, Dinggoy?
If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same? If I saw you in heaven, I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know don't belong here in heaven.
Yeah.
I love you, Kulit. Para sa ito.
Would you hold my hand?
Astrid.
I saw you in heaven. Would you help me stand? If I saw you in heaven,
Dito ka naman.
Ito si Vice.
I'd find my way.
Yan o. Lumalaki na. Lumalaki na ang utak.
'Cause I know I just can't stay
Dun dun. Here
the
is
sunlight.
Go.
Time can bring you down, time can bend your knees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Juitan mo ba? Juitan mo.
Time can break your heart. How you become me. We can live.
Tayo.
Kung nasan ka man ngayon, sana lagi mong isipin na mahal kita.
Yeah.
Isipin na may mahal pa akong iba. Dahil ikaw lang wala ng iba. I love you. Cheryl. Kinabil ka ako. Thank you, Mayor.
Nakakatalang bato ko eh. Ang bato na eh. Nakakatalang kamay ko eh. Nakabato hawak eh.
Behind the
Meron
door,
din tayo ilabas mo din ba ito? Oo, papakagalan na. May cool ba ito?
there's space and show.
Wala.
And I know you're gonna no more. There's an heaven.
Tabi para matapos ito. Thank you, Mayor, sa mga suporta. Thank you, my outfit, Denji at Gucci.
Louis Vuitton.
No my name.
Saan ka galing?
If I saw you in heaven,
Baka pati mo, hindi makita mo kami.
Ha?
you'd be the same.
Nakakatalang kamay ko eh. Nakabato hawak eh.
If I saw you in heaven, I must be strong
And carry on.
'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
Thank you, Mayor. Salamat sa mga sumuporta.
For Louis Vuitton. For your eyewear. Ray-Ban for your eyewear. Ray-Ban.
Ray-Ban na galing na kay Popsi. I love you, Pop.
Give me a bit.
Give me a bit. DJ Papi.
I love you so much. Thank you very much. The freestyle.